Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this little hair chain ponytail. So this was a look inspired by Justine Marjan. I think she's the one that came up with the hair chain trend, and I think it's so cute. It's really cool and edgy and editorial. And I think this would be really cool for a festival or something like that because I haven't seen a lot of people do this. So if you want like a unique look, I would do something like this. I do have to say it's kind of hard to do on yourself, so if you have someone that can do it on you, that would be a lot easier. I did it myself, but I don't think it came out too bad. This was my first try, by the way. I had to do that thing, where you like hold a mirror in front of you so you can see the mirror behind you. It was like a whole thing. But yeah, I'll show you how I did it. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. All right, starting with some fresh hair, I'm just going to clip in my hair extensions. These are the platinum blonde ones from Luxy. So I'm just clipping them in as I normally would, and then when I got to the top, I tried to clip these up as high up on my head as I could, with obviously leaving enough hair to cover the weft. So these are the last pieces I'm clipping in at the top. And then what I'm going to do is just tie my hair back into a low ponytail. So it looks something like this. And then I'm going to grab some chains. So these chains I found at like a local bead shop, and I tried to find chains that were fairly light so they wouldn't weigh too heavy on your hair. And then I attached these little hooky clip things onto them. And here is the hack. So what you're going to do is clip the little chains onto the last weft that you put on. And okay, I know you can kind of see it through my hair there. Don't come for me. That was actually really bothering me, but I didn't want to refilm it. So anyway, you just go ahead and keep clipping on the chains onto that top weft. And there's the last one. See, that's how I'm like using the mirror to try to figure out what I'm doing in the back of my head. So then once you have them all clipped in, it kind of looks something like that. And here I'm just trying to cover up those little clippy things. It was kind of hard. So I'm just trying to move the hair around, and then I'm going to use an elastic and tie up the chains separately. So I used a hair tie that kind of matched my hair and a black hair elastic. I know in Justine's little IG video, she used two clear elastics, and that is definitely a better idea, so they wouldn't really show. So my genius idea was to get another chain and hook some bobby pins to it, and then I was going to wrap this around the elastics to cover the elastics and add to the chain effect. I don't know, part of me thinks it made it look a little messier, but I think if I used the clear elastics it would have looked better. Anyway, so this is the final look. Let me know if you guys would try this in the comments down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!